Okay, here we have a VECTRAX 7" by 12" horizontal bandsaw. It also does vertical cuts. And we're going to power it up to show you that it does operate. So we come down here, we hit the switch. There's your coolant pump. There's a hydraulic down feed, adjustable. And as the head comes down, this little bar hits the switch, turns the unit off, and also turns the coolant pump off. It does have some shipping distress. The plastic fan shroud broke off. One of the fins for actually the whole fan is broken. Okay, and we have a crack in the junction box here. Nothing major there. Other than that, it's in really good condition. Here's your coolant pump system. Again, your hydraulic down feed. We checked the vise on here. Everything operates very nicely. Pulls back. Everything on here is really clean, really straight. This knob right here broke off. It's a plastic knob. You can replace that or just pull this out. There's a bolt underneath. Now it includes 4 casters, 2 axles, material stop. Here's your hardware for your wheels. An extra knob here. There's your coolant screen so you don't get debris down in your coolant pump. Like I said, overall it's in really good shape. Just the fan shroud's missing and the plastic fan broken and the junction box. It includes the instruction manual and parts manual. And we thank you for looking at our product.